Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl KIARA'S, and today we are going to be trying a new product. It is I think it's called Anastasia, if I'm not mistaken. It's a brow freeze, and we're going to try a Sephora Ebony. I think that's the color I have. It's in the shade Ebony. It's a brow pencil. So I'm going to be trying these new products. I know I haven't did makeup in a long time, but make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. Make sure your post notification bell is on. Make sure you like my vlogs. Like, I feel like I'm really into vlogging rather than doing makeup, because like right now, as you guys can see, I have on some lash extensions, some mink lashes, and I like these better than putting on individual lashes because they are much easier for me to maintain, and they look better without having makeup on, as you guys can see. Okay, so yeah, I want to do my brows. I want to actually see how this product actually works. So I'm going to actually open this brow freeze up right now. I literally just bought it today from Sephora, and let's see how this product really works. So this is how it looks. It's really cute. It's really cute. So this is how it looks. It's clear, as you guys can see. Like, it's literally clear. So this is how it looks. I really like this. Okay. Let's open up this product and let's get into it. Oh, how did that happen? I didn't even know that. I did not know I scratched myself on my forehead unless I probably was, I don't know. How did that happen? I was literally sitting down one day and I was like, why is my head right here hurting and I'm just not seeing it? And I just permed my hair. I permed my hair like what, 2 days ago? And it's crazy. I did not feel the burning of it, no nothing. I know I didn't cut my hair while I was burning because I didn't have nails on. I literally got my nails done today. So I don't understand how I cut myself. That's so weird. And it's so fresh. Oh no, that's weird. Okay, so this is how the pencil looks. The Sephora pencil is really tiny. Let me open it out. See that little pointy piece? That's how that looks. I actually want to put the freeze on first. I'm gonna brush my eyebrows. Like, I don't like my eyebrows going all the way up, and they not gonna go all the way up actually. So I don't like my eyebrows like up, so I'm just gonna brush it like that, and I'm gonna just scrape this product a little bit. And this how much I have on my brush. I am not going to put a lot on this brush at all. So I'm just gonna like rub that on. Yeah, I think I have to put some more so I could go throughout the whole entire brow. You can actually feel it when it hits your eyebrow. I feel like I wanted to try something new instead of glue. I hope it doesn't leave like a white residue. I don't want it to, because sometimes when putting on glue, it really does. I could actually just literally do this with my eyebrows, literally just like this, and do that and going on out the door. As you can see, I have product on this eye and I have no product on this eye. So I'm just gonna like pat this on down to make sure it's like super flat. I don't have a smell either, so that's good. I think I need to a wax on my eyebrows, but I literally got one like 3 weeks ago, so that's too early for you, girl. So I'm just gonna do the other eyebrow too. No, matter of fact, let's do one first to see how this actually works. So since that's set, I'm gonna actually go in with the pencil, and I'm gonna start in from the back and see how this actually turns out. If it works with the pencil. What it is, I can see the color. Y'all guys see that already? And I want to know if I'm supposed to put the pencil on first, then do this, because you see, like, I have it on, like, you can see the back is really thicker. Well, it's not thicker, but more fully. You can see like the difference in the tails. I have product on this eye and on this brow, and I have no product on this brow. So you really could see it. I'm just trying to make it, I just want my brows to be darker, especially in the back, because it's not giving me what it's supposed to give, okay? And then I just want my front to be a little dark, so I'm just like, I'm not even really touching it, honestly. And I don't even feel like I want to make like a super, like a line, because at the end of the day, I could literally go out like this. Like, I don't even have to put on concealer if I don't want to. And I don't think I am though, because I actually feel like this is like the look that I'm going for. Yeah, I actually do like this. I rate this, I think, a 10. So this is good. I think I'm going out the door literally like this. And I have my lashes done already. So no product on this side, a product on this one. Baby, I did a good job. And I haven't did my brows in a long time. So I think we good to go. Let's do the other eye. So I decided that I'm going to do the brow part. Not the brow. Yeah, I'm gonna do the brows first. So I'm gonna put the product on the brows first before I actually put on the what is this thing called? The gel. So I'm just gonna do the back again. So let's see how this turns out. Okay, so that is that. Oh, it's not. So now we're gonna see, I have on the, I can't really even talk about this makeup stuff because I haven't been doing it. I haven't even been doing it, man. Okay, yeah, let's put on this freeze now. Let's actually see, do I have to put this on before or after when I do this? I want to know, does it take away the product? As in product, as in like, do it take away from putting on the pencil? Because that would let me know, okay, put on the freeze first, then put on the pencil. In my opinion, that's what I would do. So I'm just seeing. It's like turning white. I mean, not turning white, but I'm just gonna pat that on down. It seems as though like it's, well, I could say I probably put more on this one. So let's see if this one. It's like this one not really laid down how it's supposed to be. I'm just gonna pat that one. This one look really dark. It look darker than this one, but even when you actually touch it, it's not that that bad. I guess because my hair is just like steady trying to curl up. That's the thing. Yeah, my hair's steady trying to curl up, but I'm just like patting that down. I think I will put in my opinion, I would rather put the brow pencil first. No, I would rather put the freeze first. That's what I did. On this eye, I put the freeze first, the brow freeze, and then I put the pencil on. This eye, I put the pencil first, then I put the brow freeze. I actually love how this one look is giving me it to be more natural. This one is giving me like it's not full. It looked like it took some of the makeup, like the pencil away at the end. So that's what I would do. But I still wouldn't put concealer. Like if your eyebrows is full as mine, or even fuller, you necessarily don't have to even put concealer. You probably don't even have to use a brow pencil if you don't want to. Just if you want to make sure your brows are laid down, this is a good product. I will recommend it. A 10 out of 10. It's like a it kind of reminds me of like gel. I mean, not gel. What is it called? Like the school glue I used to use. I'd be using. So that's my opinion. Comment down below what you guys think. Thank you guys so very much for watching. Make sure you tune into my vlogs. Make sure you follow me on Instagram, on both of my Instagrams, at _STALK and KIARA'S_beauty. Both of them will be left in the description below. And you know, every day we wake up, we do makeup. But I haven't been doing my makeup. But that's my sign, period. So thank you guys for watching. Comment down below if you guys bought this product, these two products, and how you feel about them. And if you guys know any other products, brow freezes, or even brow pencils that are good, leave that in the comment section, please, because I need some good pencils that's easy to put on and take off, and you could pretty much use on a day-to-day basis. So I really do want to know that. So thank you guys for tuning in, and we're just gonna peace out. Bye.